Honda X Adv 750 is a popular motorcycle model that combines the characteristics of a scooter and an adventure bike. While I don't have personal experiences or opinions, I can provide you with some information about the Honda X Adv 750 based on available resources. The Honda X Adv 750 is powered by a 745cc parallel twin engine, which offers a good balance of power and efficiency. It provides smooth acceleration and is capable of handling both city commuting and off-road adventures. One of the standout features of the X Adv 750 is its dual-clutch transmission DCT system. This innovative technology allows for seamless gear shifting without the need for a clutch lever. It offers both automatic and manual modes, giving riders the flexibility to choose their preferred riding style. In terms of design, the X Adv 750 has a rugged and adventure-oriented look. It features a tall windscreen for wind protection, a high-mounted exhaust for better ground clearance, and long travel suspension for improved off-road capability. The X Adv 750 also offers practicality and convenience with features like a spacious under-seat storage compartment, adjustable windscreen, and a comfortable riding position. It is equipped with advanced electronics such as traction control, ABS, and multiple riding modes to enhance safety and performance. Overall, the Honda X Adv 750 is generally well regarded by riders who appreciate its versatility, comfort, and off-road capabilities. However, it's always recommended to read multiple reviews and consider your own preferences before making a purchasing decision.